In 90 seconds, I will tell you how to set up your remote team. One of the most popular questions when building a remote team is how to split the work. In other words, should you have one big team or two separate teams? And I think that you should always go with option one. Well, all of us would like to have a self-contained remote team that doesn't require too much supervision. But first, before you get to that point, you should transfer your way of working to the remote developers and actually set up basic cooperation with them. And the best way to do it is to work together as one team. You should do meetings together, you should review each other's code, you should work on the same feature. You will teach them the things that actually are not possible to describe in documentation, like how to communicate or how to approach problems or how to make decisions. That way you can start really fast because you don't have to spend time deciding on possible assignments on the processes roles and many other matters you have to decide on when building a new team. Another good thing you can do is on-site knowledge sharing. Just bring your developers to the office and let them work together with your team, and you will see how many topics they can cover being in the same room. As a consequence, all the developers will speak the same language, they will know your source code, the functionality, and then you can start hiring more people and separating them. To summarize, there are three key steps. First, do on-site knowledge sharing. Second, work as one team. And the last one, when developers are up to speed, separate them. In our next video, we will talk how to make your remote team more self-organized and independent.